Imagine yourself nestled beside a crackling campfire, the evening air filled with the sweet scent of pine needles and wood smoke. The stars twinkle above, casting a magical glow on your campsite. As you settle in for the night, you reach for your trusty pillow, a soft and supportive companion for your outdoor adventures. But this is no ordinary pillow. This pillow holds a secret. It's crafted from the humble plastic bag, transformed into a cozy and eco-friendly haven for your head. We've all been there, digging through our camping gear, searching for that elusive pillow that somehow always manages to disappear. Or worse, waking up with a stiff neck from a makeshift pillow of rolled-up clothes. Well, fret no more. This DIY project will show you how to turn those ubiquitous plastic bags, often seen as a nuisance, into a practical, comfortable, and surprisingly stylish camping pillow. Not only will you have a personalized pillow for your next outdoor adventure, but you'll also be giving new life to materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. This project is all about practicality, comfort, and sustainability. Plastic bags, though often viewed as environmental foes, possess qualities that, when harnessed correctly, make them surprisingly well-suited for a camping pillow. Their lightweight nature ensures easy packing, while their durability promises a long lifespan. And the best part? You're diverting waste from landfills and giving those bags a new purpose. Before you embark on your pillow-making adventure, gather your materials. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity and the use of readily available materials. Plastic bags. Aim for around 50 to 60 standard-sized grocery bags. You can use a mix of sizes and thicknesses. Fabric for the cover, choose a durable fabric like cotton canvas, flannel, or even an old t-shirt. Scissors. Sharp scissors will make cutting the bags a breeze. Ruler or measuring tape. Useful for cutting fabric if you're sewing a cover. Sewing supplies, which are optional needle, thread, or a sewing machine if you choose to sew your cover. And, of course, decorative elements, also optional, like buttons, ribbons, or fabric scraps for personalizing your pillow. Now let's get down to the heart of the matter, creating the pillow core. This is where those plastic bags transform from everyday items into a source of comfort. First, begin by sorting your plastic bags, discarding any that are torn or, overly soiled. Smooth out each bag to remove any air pockets. Next up is your stuffing strategy. Take a handful of bags and stuff them into another bag, creating a bag within a bag structure. Just repeat this process, layering the stuffed bags on top of each other to form the pillow shape. Once you've achieved your desired pillow size and firmness, tightly twist the open end of the outer bag and secure it with a knot or a rubber band. Now that you have a comfy core, it's time to give it a cozy outfit. You can choose from no-sew or sewing methods. For the no-sew method, start by choosing a piece of fabric large enough to comfortably enclose your pillow core with some room to spare. Lay the fabric flat and place the pillow core in the center. Then bring the corners of the fabric together at the top, forming a bundle. Tie the fabric ends securely with ribbon, string, or even a strip of fabric. If you prefer the sewing method, measure your pillow core and add a couple of inches to each side for seam allowance. Cut 2 fabric pieces according to these measurements. Pin the fabric pieces together, right sides facing in, and sew along 3 sides, leaving one side open for stuffing. Turn the pillowcase right side out and insert the pillow core, then just hand-stitch the opening closed. A few simple tricks can make your pillow even more sleep-worthy. To minimize any potential crinkling sounds, wrap the pillow core in a soft towel or a layer of fleece before inserting it into the cover. The beauty of this DIY project is its customizable firmness. Want a firmer pillow? Simply add more bags. Prefer a softer feel? Use fewer bags or loosen the stuffing. There's no better way to truly appreciate your handiwork than by taking it on a camping trip. As you lie down on your cozy creation, just feel the gentle support of your upcycled pillow. The satisfaction of knowing you've given new life to discarded materials will surely add to the sweetness of your sleep under the stars. In a world grappling with waste management, upcycling emerges as a beacon of hope. It's all about transforming discarded materials, often destined for landfills, into something new and useful. By crafting a pillow from plastic bags, you're not just making a practical item. You're embracing a sustainable lifestyle and reducing your environmental impact. The beauty of this project lies in its versatility. Once you've mastered the art of the plastic bag pillow, let your imagination run wild. You can create mini travel pillows for car rides, comfy seat cushions for picnics, or even colorful and playful pillows for kids. The possibilities are honestly endless. Like any cherished possession, your plastic bag pillow deserves a little TLC to keep it in tip-top shape. For cleaning, just spot clean the pillow cover as needed with mild detergent and water, and allow it to air dry completely. If the stuffing gets lumpy over time, simply redistribute the filling by hand, or add more bags as needed. In a world often overwhelmed by grand gestures, it's easy to forget the power of small, mindful actions. Crafting a camping pillow from plastic bags is a testament to the idea that sustainability begins at home, with simple yet impactful choices. So, gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and let's transform those humble plastic bags into cozy companions for our adventures. All while treading a little lighter on our planet.